In this video, I'll guide you through how to send a Jotform via email step by step. If you already have a form created and you just want to share it directly from Jotform, this walkthrough is for you. We'll go from opening your account all the way to customizing the email and choosing who it goes to, so you can be confident everything is set up correctly before you hit send. First, open your web browser and go to jotform.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your main dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left side of the screen. Look for the option labeled All on the left and click it. This shows you all of the forms in your account in one place, which makes it easy to find the specific form you want to email. Next, locate the form you want to send. When you see it in the list, click on it and then choose Edit Form. This opens the form in the editor view. Even if your form is already finished, opening it in edit mode is the easiest way to access all the sharing options, including email. At the top of the form builder, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Publish. This is where Jotform keeps all the different ways you can share your form, such as direct links, embedding options, and of course, email. Once you're on the Publish page, look for the Email section and click it. This will expand the email options for your form. Here, you'll see a choice called Share on Email. Go ahead and click Share on Email. This opens the email sending window where you can configure exactly how your form will be shared. Inside this window, one of the first things you can adjust is the email content. You'll see an option or tab labeled Email Content. Click that and you'll be able to edit the body of the email that your recipients will receive. This is a great place to briefly explain what the form is for, any deadlines for completing it, and any important instructions. You can usually format the text a bit, so feel free to make headings or short paragraphs to keep it clear. Now, enter the email subject line and the main content of your message, and when you're happy with how it looks, you can click Send. If your recipient list is already filled out or pre-configured, this may be all you need to do. Always take a moment to double-check spelling, tone, and that the purpose of the form is obvious to someone receiving the email. If you want more control over who the email goes to, or you need to adjust sending details, click on the Recipients section in that same window. Here, you can enter or update the sender name, which is the name that will appear in your recipient's inbox. You can also set the reply to email, which is where responses will go if someone hits reply. Finally, fill in the To field with the email addresses of the people you want to receive the form. Make sure there are no typos, especially if you're sending to multiple people. Once everything looks correct, click Send. That's it. You've just learned how to send a Jotform via email directly from your Jotform account, customize the message, and control exactly who receives it.